we're standing back and about ready to come on, and there is a big container there, and it has lights and things like that. And I grabbed Bob by the shoulder and I came over and I said, I look at this and I see television equipment, and you look at this and you see art. He said, no, I see the beginning of art. And the point is that you want all of us to look at what's around and see what?
I want you to feel at home.
Feel like?
At home, so that you're not living in an environment that you're not experiencing. And it's so easy to get accustomed to everything that's around you, thinking of it as just a utility or something that's invisible. And anything that can reflect light is of some interest.
Now see, here is what so many people say about your work and your life. There is a childlike enthusiasm, there is a joy, and that you approach things without a sense of risk. You're just on a journey.
I think that an awful lot of time is sort of consumed in apprehension and fear and worry that could be used in action. I'm not fearless,
yeah.
You know. You can scare me. You actually do.
I do. How about fun-loving? Is that a description of you? One who's enjoyed.
I don't separate that from just everything else. I mean, I don't do vacations, you know. I mean, my greatest joy is in working. That's when I feel a wholeness and a celebration of a unity with everything around me. And I feel the least self-conscious.
When you're working?
Yes.